Yes, beta. Now we will start unit number 9, that is your web application and security. And in this unit today we shall do session number 6. The name of the session is using offline blog editor. Yes, my dear students, in previous class we just discussed about online blog editors where we can create our blog online, like wordpress.com is there, blogger.com, blog.com. These are the online blog editor. Now in today's class, we will just discuss about what do you mean by offline blog editor. Yes, my dear students, for offline blog editor, we no need to internet connections. We can create our blog, and whenever we want to make that blog published, at that time we need the internet connection. Means here we read about you can also use offline blog software to create your blogs and publish the content whenever internet connectivity is available. Means we just create our blog offline, but whenever we have internet connection, at that time we can create our blog, or you can say at that time we can publish our blog. Next is here. Here are three offline blog editors like Humana.com, Blogdesk, and Windows Live Writer. These are the offline blog editors. Now they are saying that how we can create the blogs with the help of Humana.com. Now they are saying that using Blogdesk, how we can do. First, we have to download the blog editor from this site. Here is the name of URL of the site. We just click on this site. After that, we are able to download the blog editor. And when blog editor download, how we can do work with it? First, we have to click on file and then click on manage blog. When we click, you can see this kind of screen appear. When you open the Kumna.com, this kind of screen appear. You will just click on file, and after file, you can see here is the option manage blog. Just wait. Here is the option manage blogs. You will just click on that. After that, what you have to do, it will open a blog wizard, and in blog wizard you will write down the name of the blog. Means what the name of the blog you want to set. You will write down blog name here and then click on next. When you click on the next, it will ask from you on what address you want to publish your blog. Here they are saying that they add this address, blog address, and they are taking the example of wordpress.com. It's our wish. If we want to make our blog on Blogger, then we can write down जो इन्होंने लिखा है सनयार noida.wordpress.com. In place of WordPress, if we want to publish our blog with the help of Blogger, then in place of WordPress, we will write there blogger.com. And after that, we will click on next. Here it is showing your blogging software. After that, we will select WordPress from here and then click on next. When we click on the next, it will ask from you the entry point where you want to enter the blog address. Again, you have to click on enter. No need to write anything. Just click on enter. Next, sorry, click on next. After that, you have to set the login ID and password for your blog. Again, click on next and then go to the settings, and in writing, you will see there is a blog ID. Paste that blog ID here and again click on next. After that, it will show you the categories, on which category you want to create your blog, and then again click on next. In this way, you can create your offline blog. And now last step, what they are saying that once complete, click on the green arrow button at the top of the screen. It is the publish button. But you can just publish your blog when you have internet connectivity. You can just create your blog offline, but you can publish your blog only when if you have the internet connectivity. Now after the publish, Now your blog post is live. Everyone can see your blog. Now they are saying that this one green arrow. They are saying that now green arrow is there. When you click on, you just create your blog here. Means blog is this kind of blog text appear. You will write down here title, whatever content you will want to write down. You can write down here. Means you can just make ready your blog offline, but whenever you have internet connection, you just click on this green button. When you click on this green button, your blog will automatically live. Now, come to the exercise self-assessment of this. Which of the following is not an offline blogger editor? We know that Joomla is an offline blog editor. Blogdesk is also a offline blog editor. So WordPress is the online blog editor. Means if we want to create our blog on WordPress, then we have a internet connection. Then and only then we are able to create our blog on WordPress. Next is here, to update your blog content, click on the dash. Means if you want to update your blog content, then what you have to click? You have to click on publish post. If you click on the publish post, this button is here, that is for publish post. When you click on this button, then you are able to make your content published. Next one is here, explain the purpose of offline blog editor. The main purpose of offline blog editor is what? It is we can create our blog without internet connectivity. This is the main purpose of blog editor. Next, they are saying that list any two offline blog editor. Here are the two offline blog editor like Joomla.com, blogdesk.com. Here are the three blog editors: Joomla.com, Blogdesk, and Window Live Writer. These are the offline blog editor. I hope everything is clear to you in this session.